Scientists recently uncovered 3 ordinary breakfast foods that may quietly reverse fatty liver, and most people already have them at home. What you eat in the first hour after waking could decide whether your liver heals or keeps storing fat. Fatty liver disease now affects nearly 1 in 4 adults worldwide, often silently, without a single warning symptom. It begins when tiny droplets of fat collect inside liver cells, slowing every process the organ performs. You might feel tired in the afternoon, bloated after meals, or notice stubborn weight around the middle that refuses to budge. Many doctors only catch it during routine blood work, long after the liver has been struggling for years. Here's the encouraging news. Unlike many organs, the liver can regenerate itself when given the right materials. For centuries, traditional healers from Europe to Asia recommended specific morning foods to cleanse what they called the body's filter. Modern researchers are now confirming much of that ancient wisdom, identifying compounds in everyday foods that directly target liver fat. Even more interesting, the morning hours appear to be when your liver is most receptive to these healing nutrients. Between roughly 5 and 9 in the morning, your liver completes its overnight detoxification cycle and prepares for the day. During this window, liver enzymes that break down fat are most active, making breakfast a critical opportunity. Research published in hepatology journals shows that specific plant compounds called polyphenols can reduce liver fat by up to 40%. Other studies suggest that soluble fiber binds to bile in the gut, forcing the liver to use stored cholesterol to make more. This simple process gradually empties fat from inside liver cells and restores their original function over weeks of consistent eating. The first breakfast food is rolled oats, particularly the slow-cooked variety, not the instant-flavored packets. Oats are rich in beta-glucan, a unique fiber that research shows reduces liver fat accumulation and improves insulin response. Prepare half a cup of oats with water or unsweetened almond milk and let them simmer gently for 10 minutes. Skip the sugar and honey, as added sweeteners directly counteract the liver-cleansing effects you are working toward. Instead, top your oats with cinnamon and a pinch of sea salt to bring out their natural, nutty flavor. The second food is fresh berries, especially blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries, eaten by the handful with your oats. Berries contain anthocyanins, the deep blue and purple pigments that studies show actively reduce inflammation inside liver tissue. Aim for roughly half a cup of mixed berries each morning, fresh when possible or frozen during winter months. Frozen berries retain nearly all their nutrients, and they actually release more antioxidants once thawed into your oatmeal. Avoid berry-flavored yogurts or jams, which strip the fiber and replace it with concentrated sugar that burdens the liver. The third food is green tea, brewed loose leaf or in unbleached bags, and sipped slowly alongside your breakfast. Green tea contains EGCG, a powerful catechin shown in multiple studies to lower liver enzyme markers within 12 weeks. Steep 1 teaspoon of leaves in water just below boiling for 2 to 3 minutes, never longer or it turns bitter. Drink 1 to 2 cups in the morning, and avoid adding milk, which can bind to the catechins and reduce absorption. A small bonus tip is to add a tablespoon of ground flaxseed to your oats for extra lignans that support liver detox pathways. And take a gentle 10-minute walk after breakfast, as movement helps your liver process nutrients and clear circulating fats. Consistency matters far more than perfection, so aim for this breakfast 5 mornings a week and let your liver do the rest. To recap, your 3 liver-loving breakfast foods are rolled oats, fresh berries, and slowly brewed green tea. Pair them most mornings, skip the added sugar, and your liver could begin shedding stored fat within a few weeks. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing to Natural Hacks for more gentle, science-backed home remedies every week. Share this with someone you love who might benefit, because small breakfast changes can shape long-term health. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always speak with your doctor before making changes if you have a diagnosed condition or take medication.